In this unit, we have been discussing digital citizenship. More importantly, rework, reuse, and remix. Today, we're going to discuss remix. More specifically, we're going to talk about the 4 points of fair use. The first point of fair use is that you can only use a small amount of the work. Remember that this idea, this creation, is someone else's. You cannot use the entire idea. You can only use a small percentage of it. If you use more than just a small amount of this work, you will be in violation of copyright. And if you are in violation and you do not fix this, you can be in trouble. The second point is that you must add new meaning to the work to make it original. Even though the idea belongs to somebody else, you must put new meaning on it. You cannot use the same ideas as someone else. You must make it original. You must make it your own. The third point is that you must rework it. You must rework the original work and use it in a totally different way. This kind of meshes with number 2, okay? You must give it a new idea. You must give it a new thought process. Use it in a way that the original creator did not. If you are using it in the same way, you are infringing on their rights and you are in violation of copyright. So remember, rework it, make it totally different. Number 4, you must use it for nonprofit purposes. What this means is that you cannot sell it off as your own. You cannot make money off of it. You must do it for nonprofit purposes. Okay? We can't state it any clearer than that. You cannot make money off of this creation or this new idea of yours, because the original idea was not your own. So remember, if you find something online that you want to use, remember to 1, check who owns it. Do some research if you have to. Find the original owner. Find the original creator. If you need to get permission to use it, you may have to contact that person either by phone or by email. This is very, very important. Number 3, give credit where credit is due. Even though you rearrange it, you remix it, you rework it, and you get a new idea from it, you still must give credit to the original creator because the original idea was their own. If necessary, purchase the rights to it or purchase the rights to use it. This is very important. Under copyright law, you may have to do this. And number 5, use it responsibly. Do not break the law. Go over the 4 points of fair use of the work that you have found that you want to reuse and you want to remix. Make sure that you are following those 4 points and you will be fine. Use it responsibly. Remember, ideas, innovations, thoughts from people are wonderful. We have amazing ideas that can help this world. But remember, when you create something, it is your own. If someone else creates something, it is their own. Do not infringe upon their rights. Use their works responsibly. If you want to borrow someone else's idea, if you want to borrow someone else's work, get permission first. Do not break the law. Do it correctly. You do these things, and you will be just fine.